Hello everybody and welcome to my Facebook ads backend strategy. So, this is my first video, so I might talk a little slow and you might want to push the fast forward, speed it up a bit. And I will get going. So, this is what I use. And first we have the BM. You can use your own BM or a purchase BM or whatever BM you like. And then you have your admin. So for the admin, use your own profile or a friend's profile, family members or whatever. If you can, otherwise you can buy one. But it's better when we sit as admin and have like credit card control and everything, that it's someone we know. And for the backup admin, you can use the same. If you have a family member, it's better, but if you don't, just purchase one. But when you purchase one and we have it as an admin and it have all permissions, remember that if it gets hacked, he can go in and kick you out and take your credit card information. It can be a whole mess. So please change your passwords and your email and your 2FA code and see that everything is clean on this profile. Okay, and then we have the page holder. So the page holder is another profile and he holds all your pages. So he is responsible if everything goes well, or if you get a 1 or 2 or a really bad feedback score, he will take the hit. So if he is making bad brands, you can just kick him out and replace him with someone who is not, or at least not for a while. So, and then we have, I have someone who is commenting and replying and to comments and messages on Facebook, and you connect him to the page holder. So, page holder responsible for feedback score and that the shipping times and everything is great. And if he's not good enough, we kick him out and we get another one. So he will be the one flagged for that. So that it's necessary to separate everything. Okay, I hope that makes sense. English is not my first language, so if you have any questions or it's something you don't understand, please make a comment and I will reply. And then we have another profile and it's the advertiser and his name is Kenneth. So Kenneth is responsible for if there is like any bad ads with nudity or flagged ads, or if he just copy other people's ad and nothing is original and he just publish it, and it's he will be the one responsible for the bad advertising. So Kenneth is not connected to he's not connected really to any higher role, so you can definitely use Kenneth as a purchase profile and it's easy to switch him out as well. So if he misbehaves, you can always switch him out to the backup advertiser we got here named Maria. Maybe Maria will do a better job because she's not flagged. Okay, so page holder takes the feedback score hit, advertiser Kenneth takes the ad hits, and hopefully little John here won't feel a thing when shit goes down. But if he does, he still have a backup here, so everything is great. And Kenneth is connected to your ad account that is connected to this BM, and here I am mainly testing products, and when I found a winner, something doing good, I move it to the agency ad account that is also connected to Kenneth. So I'm testing here. I'm not killing anything. I'm not shutting anything down. If it's going well, I'm just keep scaling slow here and I'm scaling faster here. So here we can up the budget a little bit more aggressively. Okay, and then we have the BMs. So we have the HBM. So this BM can hold your pixels and it can share the data over to this BM. So if this BM goes down, everything will be safe. You can buy a HBM and they are not expensive, and they just hold everything safe, so they don't do any advertising. And then we can have a backup BM. If this BM goes down, we can easily just switch it. And then you will tell the agency that, hey, my BM went down, I want to switch it, and then you just make the switch and you'll be good to go. So this is the setup that I am using at the moment, and it's working today. If you want me to connect you to maybe the agency ad account, or if you want to purchase some profiles and BMs, I have a really good supplier, so please join my Discord. It's new, and I will also answer all your questions there. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something, and please connect with me on the Discord and I will help you out if you have any questions. Bye bye.